Honda City 2009 Automatic for urgent sell, genuine interior, back camera, smooth drive, only 22 lakh. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you a Honda City 2009 automatic transmission for sale in Karachi. This is a clean, smooth, and well-maintained family car, perfect for daily use and city driving. Honda City is one of the most popular sedans in Pakistan. People search it a lot on Facebook and YouTube because of its fuel efficiency, comfortable drive, low maintenance, and strong resale value. If you are looking for a Honda City automatic for sale, Karachi registered Honda City, or a budget automatic car, then this vehicle is a great option. Let's talk about the engine first. This car comes with its own powerful Honda engine. Engine performance is very smooth and silent. No vibration, no smoke, and no mechanical issues. The automatic transmission works perfectly with soft gear shifting. Honda automatic cars are famous for comfort in traffic, and this City gives a very relaxed driving experience. Now moving to the interior. The interior is fully genuine and well kept. Seats are clean, dashboard is original, steering is neat, and everything inside is in excellent condition. If you search genuine Honda City interior, well-maintained City 2009, or clean Honda City inside, this car matches those requirements. On the exterior side, the car is outer showered only for a fresh and attractive look. No major accident, no damage, and the body is fully straight. Roof and pillars are safe. The car looks stylish and clean, perfect for buyers searching used Honda City in fresh condition. Mileage is low, which means the car has been carefully driven. Suspension is smooth and comfortable. Steering control is perfect for city roads and long drives. Extra features installed in the car. LCD Multimedia Panel. Back camera for easy parking. Sound system working perfectly. New tires installed. This makes the car ready for immediate use without extra expenses. Documents are fully complete with original file and CPLC clear. This is very important for Karachi buyers searching safe and legal used cars. Honda City 2009 Automatic is ideal for family use, daily driving, office car, ride comfort, fuel efficient car, low maintenance Honda, Karachi registered automatic car. If you are searching on Facebook or YouTube for Honda City 2009 for sale, Honda City Automatic Karachi, used Honda City Pakistan, automatic car under 22 lakh, Honda City genuine condition, Karachi CPLC clear car, then this is the perfect vehicle for you. The car is in excellent running condition. No work required. Just buy and drive. Round pushpin location, Karachi. Money bag demand, 22 lakh. Outgoing email symbol contact in inbox for serious buyers only. Don't forget to like, share, and follow the page for more used cars, Honda City listings, budget cars in Pakistan, and automatic vehicles.